So I've arrived at Nijubashi Mae, the Marunouchi station, and I'm headed for exit 5B. And this is where we're headed. It's the Marunouchi Bright Christmas Precious for You 2019, featuring Star Wars. So this particular event takes you on a little kind of a scavenger hunt to find all these different items, Star Wars related, that are hidden within the Marunouchi Nakadori. On the first floor of the Marunouchi building, you have this beautiful Star Wars Christmas tree. There are some special Star Wars merchandise to celebrate the premiere of the movie, which you see kind of advertised all around. Oh, look how pretty. I just realized the crystals up above, they light up. Maybe seeing the tree from a distance is more impressive. I arrived even before the merchandise pop-up shop opened. But yeah, you've got to get here early, otherwise the crowds, especially over the weekend, are going to be jam-packed, especially since it's, I believe, the last weekend. Cash only, guys, so no credit card purchases if you should happen to come here. Look at this. Whoa. Look at this little Star Wars decorated Christmas tree. So take a look at this pop-up cafe. It's only going to be here until Christmas Day. It opened, I believe, in November. But of course, with school and everything that happened in November, I wasn't able to make it. So I cannot wait to see what this cafe has to offer. I'm in this little corner seat here. They have Star Wars clips and previews and things, but it's all in Japanese. And I was the third person in line, so I was lucky. I got a seat. So the menu's pretty cool. It all has Star Wars related items, and they're kind of combining the holidays as well. Let me see. Here's my black ginger ale. Look at the placemat, isn't that cool? So yeah, they sort of have a combination between the light side and the dark side. So I got today the taco rice. I got the light side soy milk parfait. Both of their parfaits are soy milk, by the way. And I got the dark side black ginger ale. Kind of cool. Well, I'm pretty full, but I still have this dessert to eat. So this is the light side parfait. It's soy milk ice cream, and I see chocolate mint chip ice cream. I see blue jelly thingies. I think that's soy cream down there. And it looks like a R2-D2 marshmallow. Oh, cool. Didn't realize that the tree changes colors like this. So I came a little bit early to the Marunouchi building, and they have something called Rugby bench art. Now this one is just your regular, ordinary bench with a no smoking sign. But all these benches have these characters with rugby balls on them. How adorable is that? What is this? And here we go. Rugby World Cup. And in the distance you can see the Star Wars Christmas tree, which I'll share with you a little later. After lunch, I walked right outside Tokyo Station to try to find all the checkpoints. And here we have another beautiful Christmas tree. But as we go closer and closer, you can see all of us in the balls. Happy holidays! So I'm on this little scavenger hunt trying to find all the Star Wars themed holiday items, and it's hard because there's so many Christmas decorations, and luckily there's not a lot of people. It's pretty chilly today, but it's kind of fun. You just keep going down streets and you find new things that you never knew existed before. Alright, I finally found the next one. Look how cute. So this is another part of our Star Wars episode journey. This particular one. Alright, this is a better way to make the map. It's showing each place by episode, so I've got to go to all these 8 episodes. Alright, I might as well be a Star Wars geek for a day and collect the stamps from the stamp rally. So I got episode 5. Now I've got to find all the other ones. Alright, maybe I found this next one because I see a sign. Let's see. Hide and seek. First floor. Okay, let's go check this out. Alright, so I'm going out of order, but I finally found episode 1. And this one is called Hide and Seek Star Wars. So as soon as you stand on some of these panels, you'll have a Star Wars character magically appear. Hey, Chewbacca. Okay, and here's another one. It's hard to find this one because this one was on the basement floor. So let's try this one. Another hide and seek one. Oh. Stormtroopers. I wonder if they're different every time. Alright. So I went kind of out of order. I went to episode 1 and then to episode 5. Alright. I found episode 6. And this one, look at this. This is a Lego of Darth Vader. I'll wait till they take their photo. So yeah, take a look. This Darth Vader is made up entirely of Lego blocks. Pretty cool. And you can get these special Lego wallpapers for your cell phone. I wonder if it works internationally. There's a QR code for anybody that wants to see if you can get it. This Lego displays of different items from Star Wars made entirely of Legos. What is this? Galaxy Dome. Okay. I guess it must be not working or not manned right now, but maybe you can, oh, maybe that's what it is. Maybe it's a photo spot for you to take photos. And let's take a look over here. Alright, we've got an R2-D2 made entirely of Legos. You know, I remember the teacher that I worked with last year. He had an advent calendar, and each day opened up a new Star Wars related Lego item for the kids to build, and they loved it. I wonder if he's seen this yet. So this next one is called Eternal Snow. And if you look very carefully at the snowflakes, you'll notice that they're the Star Wars characters cut into them. Can you see it? And in this snowflake, you'll see that a lot of your characters are integrated into the snowflake. Not only characters, because I see the ships as well. From a distance, it just looks like a regular snowflake, and then as you zoom in, kind of cool. Oops, I stamped episode 2 upside down. I told you today is like my backwards upside down day. But you know, with Yoda, sometimes his face, I think it can go either way. Okay, wait. No, that looks like Yoda. But you know, that could be Yoda too. Okay, I don't think this is part of the stamp rally because I can't find the thing, but it's just a lot of the figurines. So I guess if you're a Star Wars figurine collector, this would be a really cool place to see if you have all the figurines. Whoa. Man, what great gifts these would be. And actually, they are for sale. So most of these items all have their price tags on it. Oh, wow. How cool would that be? What is that? A solo frozen container. Guess you could put your treasures in there. Look at this. Whoa. Is this a sword or a lightsaber? Or both? But I don't see a stamp thing. Alright, man, this one was a hard one to find. Let's see what it is. So this one is part of the Kawaii Uchu. So making Star Wars characters cute. Cute or funky. So let's take a look at what it says here. They're colorful star characters which will decorate the shopping mall in a cute way. Join us for Christmas with a gorgeous pink Chewbacca and cute androids. So I guess you'll see them in different parts of the mall. Actually, that C-3PO is pretty fascinating. Let's take a look. Look at this. It's made entirely out of gold Christmas balls. That Chewbacca is huge. I don't even think it would fit in my house. Alright, I've never been into this building. It's called the Marunouchi Oazo building. And it has one of the Star Wars exhibits. Ooh, I see it over there on the left. Let's go check this one out. Alright. Alright, I made it to episode 8. And here we have a holiday tree. It's called the Harmony of Lights. So each of these checkpoints has a little information about the particular Star Wars movie or episode. Give you a little QR code to get a special holiday screensaver or screen thing for your phone. We've got these galaxy domes where you can take photos in. Alright, nobody's in this dome. Nobody's in this dome, so let's go see what it's like to be in one. Alright, let's go in. Oh, we're inside the orange one, my favorite color. In the end, I was able to collect all 8 stamps, and I had so much fun doing it. With the popularity of Star Wars here in Japan, who knows, the Star Wars Cafe may become a permanent cafe in the future. And a Star Wars Christmas could become an annual thing. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you'll like and subscribe to our channel so we can see you all next time. Thank you. Bye.